This video is sponsored by AutoValue. Visit us online for more information.
The tiny bubbles of water pump cavitation can kill the pump. While you'll never actually see any bubbles, you can see the resulting damage. These voids, which look like termite damage, are caused by superheated vapor that erodes metal and cracks plastic. This problem is typically not the fault of the water pump itself. In fact, in some cases, it's the coolant. The specific gravity of the coolant depends on the amount of water present. If the concentration of antifreeze to water is too high in hot weather, it may increase the risk of engine overheating and make cavitation more likely to occur. In most cases, a 50-50 mix is best for the system. There are coolant additive packages that can reduce surface tension and allow the coolant to transfer heat more effectively. Diesel coolant includes additives that prevent cavitation erosion around the cylinder liners, while new coolant includes buffers that better control pH. While there are no outside visual clues of water pump cavitation, there are some symptoms. These include overheating, leaks from the weep hole, and impeller separation from the shaft. Although these are helpful indicators, you won't be able to detect the full extent of damage until you actually remove the pump. I'm Adam Redling from Import Car Magazine. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more shop solutions.